So what is the difference between the ambassador and the high commissioner? For to get that answer, we need to look into the some historical events. So it was the year of the 1926 when there was a conference got organized, and the name of that conference was the Conference of the Britain and the Dominion. And in this conference, it was agreed that all we are the equal member of this community. Who are the equal members? So the colonized state are the equal members, or the Dominion states are the equal members of this community. And the name of this community was the British Commonwealth of Nations. British Commonwealth of Nations. यानी कि nation एक commonwealth है Britishers की. So British Commonwealth of the nation. So when the India got independence in the year of the 1947, we also become the members of this Commonwealth community, and at presently the total membership of this Commonwealth is 56. So whenever there is an exchange of the diplomatic officer in the name of the ambassador, they are commonly known as the High Commissioner. For example, India, Canada, Australia, and Pakistan, all four are the members of this Commonwealth. So whenever there is an ambassador or the embassy establishment, the highest officer, that is the ambassador, would be known as the High Commissioner. That means the ambassador which are interchanged in the nations who are the members of the Commonwealth, that ambassador will be known as the High Commissioner. For example, if Canada highest officer, that is the ambassador, comes to India and the Indian ambassador go to the Canada, they would be known as the High Commissioner. But in the matter of the US and India relationship, the US ambassador would be known as the US ambassador in India, and the Indian ambassador would be known as the Indian ambassador of the USA. So this is the major difference. We have discussed the Vienna Convention of the year of the 1961, that is the Vienna Convention, the diplomatic relationship in which the diplomats entertain the certain kinds of the immunity. But when these diplomats are coming from the Commonwealth nation to a Commonwealth nation, that means the diplomat is coming from the Pakistan to India, that will be known as the High Commissioner, or the Indian diplomats coming to the Pakistan, that will be known as the High Commissioner. So this is just the difference between the ambassador and the High Commissioner. The High Commissioner, that means when there is an exchange of the diplomatic officer or the ambassador between the Commonwealth nation, then it will be known as the High Commissioner. Otherwise, in the general scenario, it will be known as the ambassador. So this was the major difference between the High Commissioner and the ambassador. I felt it is the important issue because there is a escalation or the very intense situation between the India and the Pakistan, and both maintain the High Commissioner. So that's why I discussed this information. You are requested to please subscribe this channel and like and share this video as much as you can. I'm not expecting any kind of the monetary remittances from your sides, but requesting just to visit my website, because the whole objective or the universal objective is the propagation or spreading of the education to every required student. Thank you and goodbye.